Oh? Why is that?
I thought we might talk about a few things.
Such as why there's a wanted poster on the wharf with my picture on it?
Such as your future, Mr. Threepwood, and that of the ghost pirate LeChuck.
LeChuck's dead. I killed him.
Perhaps you didn't kill him quite so thoroughly as you imagine. He looked perfectly healthy the last time I saw him.
Last time you saw him? Oh no, LeChuck's back.
I beg your pardon, did you say something?
I took care of LeChuck once, I can do it again.
You'll get your chance. You see, he's put a sizable bounty on your head.
Oh?
A bounty I intend to collect.
Oh. I guess that bounty would buy a lot of bacon grease and pure fat, huh?
Why, you can figure it out while you wait in jail for LeChuck to pick you up. Take him away.
Yes, sir, Governor Fat. Come on, you little weasel.
I'll be back.
Come on. Don't try to escape or anything. Walt will chew you to bits. Okay, Walt. I'll be back to relieve you at 11.
I hope I don't have to sleep here. I don't want to. I hope I don't have to sleep here. It's a stick. It's a tibia. I can't reach it. Watch me flip it right into my pocket. They don't call me the Bone Master for nothing. It's a tibia. What a ferocious looking dog. Hello, little doggy. Here, doggy doggy. Here, boy. Mr. Willie Gorilla, arrested for grinding his organ in public. Mr. Guybrush Threepwood, arrested for infractions too numerous to list.
No more bets? Okay, here we go. $29 red.
All right!
You're a winner, sir. Which prize would you like?
What you got left?
We have money, an invitation to Governor Marley's Mardi Gras party, and a free pass to see the Linguini Brothers Circus.
I'd like the money.
The money it is. Place your bets, please.
Give me the next number.
First, give me the password. If this is 1, what's this?
2.
Right. The winning number will be 22 black.
Thanks.
No more bets? Okay, here we go. 22 black.
All right!
You win again. Today is your lucky day, all right. Would you like money again?
Yeah. I think that's enough for me today.
Okay, Ralphie. See you tomorrow. All you have to do is watch the wheel go round.
Hello.
How you doing?
Could you explain how this game works?
Sure, it's easy. Just tell me what number you want, and I'll spin the wheel. If your number comes up, you win.
Sounds simple. What numbers can I bet on?
1 to 32, red or black.
Why does that other guy keep winning so much?
Oh, maybe he's got some inside help. Know what I mean?
Well, how can you make any profit if that guy keeps winning?
Hey, I only work here. It's the owners who are losing money.
Do many other people come to play here?
Lots of people come to play when we've got a bunch of prizes. But we're almost out today. We only have 3 left.
I'd like to place a bet.
Betting costs money, kid. 1 piece of 8 for 1 game.
Oh, yeah. Here.
Okay, kid. Which number you want?
I'd like 22 black.
Okay, here we go. Eight black. Too bad. Better luck next time.
Well, thanks anyway. I hate losing.
You can't win if you don't play.
I'll knock.
What do you want, kid?
Open up! This is a raid!
Get lost! You again?
Have you ever heard the legend of the mighty Guybrush? Well, don't you want to hear it again?
What is it this time?
I'm selling these fine leather jackets. Sorry to bother you.
You are starting to annoy me.
Who are you and what are you doing back there?
I'm Bruno, and that's none of your business. Get lost. What?
What's the next winning number gonna be?
First, give me the password. You have to get it right 3 times. If this is 2, what's this?
3,
Okay, that's 1 right. 2 more. If this is 3, what's this?
5,
That's 2. 1 more. If this is 5, what's this?
2?
Okay, you must be a member of the Gamblers Club. But I don't recognize you.
What? You don't remember me?
No, but that's okay. You wouldn't have gotten the password right if you weren't a member. The winning number will be 5 black.
Place your bets, please.
I'd like to place another bet. Here's 1 piece of 8.
Okay, kid. Which number you want?
I'd like 5 black.
Okay, here we go. Five black. You're a winner, kid. Which of our fabulous prizes do you want? Take your pick. You can have 60 pieces of 8, Or you can have the invitation to Governor Marley's Mardi Gras party. Or you can have a free pass to see the Linguini Brothers Circus. Well, which will it be?